Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Fortnite and signing in so your settings persist across sessions. Once the lobby loads, press the menu, ESC on PC or the System button on console, and choose Settings from the gear icon. You want to get directly to the Audio tab. This is where music controls live. Make sure you're in the main settings screen, not the controller remap page, because the Audio tab appears along the top row of icons in the Settings menu. In the Audio tab, find the Music Volume slider. This specifically controls background music. Drag it all the way to 0% or input 0 where the UI allows. This mutes the in-game music without affecting sound effects. Once done, check voice chat and sound effects sliders so you don't accidentally mute essential gameplay sounds. Make sure cross-platform or region settings aren't preventing save changes. Then navigate to the Apply or after setting music volume to 0, press Apply or Accept to save. This step finalizes the change. Then return to the lobby or start a quick match to verify there's no background music playing. Sound effects and voice chat should still function normally. If music still plays, exit Fortnite completely, relaunch the client, and reopen the Audio tab to confirm the slider stayed at 0. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or update the game if settings won't save, because corrupted files can prevent changes from sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.